Ammar Khalid.
Yeah,
Ammar
Mr.
Khalid. Yes. Cell membrane.
It's a flexible wrapping that
Is a layer around the outside of the cell. Is a layer around the outside of the cell. Yes.
cell.
Yes, it's perfect, perfect, did well. And some question about cytoplasm. Who can give me information about cytoplasm? Yes, Yusuf Ahmed. Yusuf Ahmed.
Cytoplasm is a gel-like liquid.
Yes, excellent, excellent. Cytoplasm. What is that mostly made of for cytoplasm?
Water.
Water. You did excellent. Thank you. Okay, now what about nucleus? Nucleus. Who can explain the nucleus? Muhammad Al-Hurani.
Sir, nucleus is the control center of the cell.
Yes. Only? Only? Yes. Control center, it's correct. But other explanation?
It's a large round organelle usually found in the center of the cell.
Yeah. Can you raise your voice, please? Raise your voice. Yes. Now, okay. Now the nucleus control centers.
Mister, my name is not Muhammad. My name is Adam.
Muhammad Adam. Okay.
Yeah.
Change your name.
Okay.
Change. I will allow to you. Rename yourself. 1 minute to rename yourself. After 1 minute, I will close. Okay. Nucleus control center. Control center. What about mitochondria? Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Rayyan Fadi. Mitochondria. Rayyan Fadi. Rayyan Fadi. Mitochondria. Define mitochondria. The job of mitochondria. Rayyan Fadi. Abdurrahman Wazir. Abdurrahman Wazir.
Mitochondria is the things that break down food and release energy.
Yes, we can say supply energy for the cell. Excellent, perfect. Supply energy for the cell by breaking down. Supply energy for the cell by breaking down. Clear? Okay. Is there the cell? Is there the cells similar by activity? Similar or different? Rayyan Fadi, is there the cells are similar or different? Ammar Khalid, is there some cells are more active than others?
Yeah.
Yes, excellent. Some cells are more active than others and require more energy. For this reason, it needs energy. It needs supporting from the mitochondria.
Okay.
Yes. And some cells, for example, muscle cells have many mitochondria. Muscle cells have many mitochondria because it needs energy. Vacuoles. Yes, vacuole.
A vacuole is the storage of the cell.
Store.
Yeah.
Store
The
water.
storage of the cell. It can store water, food, and waste.
Yes, excellent. Really excellent. You did well, excellent, yes. Now I want to ask you questions. How are mitochondria similar to tiny power plants? How are Mitochondria is similar to tiny power plants. Provides energy. We talk about provide energy. We talked about provide energy for the cell. 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 Yeah, clear? Now, what's inside a plant cell? What's inside a plant cell? What's inside a plant cell? Mitochondria, vacuole, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, cell wall, and chloroplast. If the plants need to eat food, if the plants need to eat food, Ziad,
Yeah, Mr. This the period for grade 4 or 5? Yeah, Mr.
Five, my son's 5. But
5?
Five, but the same lessons. First lesson, the same.
Okay.
Similar.
Yeah, Mr. 5H?
Yes.
The plant make its own food and no. The
Yes.
plants make its own food.
Yes. Page 5, my son. Page 5. Sorry, grade 5. Page 5, huh?
Page what?
Page 26. Page 26. Open your book. Page 26. Open your book, page 26. Are you open? Yes. Now, if the plants need to eat food, Ziad Nabtawi, Ziad.
Yeah, Mr.
Plants need to eat food.
No.
Yes, no, yes, excellent. No, they make food by itself. They make food by itself. They make food by itself. Excellent. Yes. Now, what helps plants get energy and make food? What are the factors helps plant get energy and make food?
What help it?
What helps plants get energy and make food?
The sunlight.
Yes, sunlight. Excellent. Sunlight. Sunlight.
Water.
Make plants get energy.
And energy.
Yes, helps plants get energy and make its own food.
Mr. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Where the plant make the food?
In the chloroplast, we will explain. It has chlorophyll to get a green color and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Yeah? We'll explain later, after a little.
Okay.
Yes. Now, cell wall in the plant cell. Yes?
Yeah.
It's layer, outer covering around the outside of the cell.
Okay.
Yes, outer covering around the outside of the cell. This layer is called cell wall. Outer covering around the outside the cell. This layer is called cell wall. Now a vacuole, not here vacuole, it's a large. Vacuole is a large. It's unlike animal cells. Unlike animal cells, be careful, unlike animal cells. In animal cells, it's so small. But in the plant cell, it's large to keep water because the plant needs water. The plants needs water. In the plant cell, this vacuole stores excess water and provides extra support. This extra water in the vacuole The plant uses it when he needs water. Plant needs extra water. Plants needs extra water. Chloroplast. Chloroplast. Not here. Chloroplast. Chloroplast. It's green. Not here. It's a green. Now we know plants make their own food by itself. Make their own food by itself. Here, green structure for chloroplast. Green structures for chloroplast. Green structure for chloroplast. Now the energy coming from the sunlight produce food for the plants. Sunlight comes from the sun and chloroplasts here produce food for the plant. Now chloroplasts, the color is green. Chloroplast is here. The color is green. It contains chemical. Called chlorophyll. Chemical contain a chemical called chlorophyll. Now the chlorophyll here able to use the energy in sunlight. By this way, it can make their own food. Now, if the color here green, okay. What about the lac chloroplasts? Now here it's a green. What about the lac chloroplast? Here we can obtain other color. Now the questions: which cell has a stronger outer covering? Plant cell or an animal cells? Let me hear answers. Abdurrahman Wazir. Which cell has a stronger outer covering? A plant cell or animal cell?
Plant cell.
Excellent. You did well. Perfect.
Because the plant cell have the cell wall and the cell membrane.
Thank you so much. Really, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Yes. Now, a plant cell has a thick cell wall. I will repeat. A plant cell has a thick cell wall and large vacuoles. However, it doesn't seem to have a chloroplast. What part of the plant might the cell be from? Here you can choose the vegetables because here you can choose the vegetable. Possibly you can say roots, flowers, or bark. By critical thinking here, you can choose possible answer. For example, roots, flowers, or bark. Now, my dear students, open your workbook, reading and writing, page 3. Page 3. Page 3. Page 3. Page 3. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1, I will choose to answer, to read. Ammar Khalid, read question number 1, page 3 workbook. Page 3 workbook. Ammar Khalid, number 1.
Yeah, mister.
Number 1, all organisms
or living things are made of cells.
Yes, excellent. Are made of cells. Perfect. Are made of cells.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Okay, number 2. Number 2, I'll choose Adam Al-Hurani. Number 2.
Yes, mister.
Number 2.
Number 2,
Yes.
every cell in every living thing comes from another cell that can carry out the other basic process of life.
Split or divide? Split or divide? Split or divide? Okay. Now, Yusuf Amr. Yusuf Amr. Number 3.
Yes.
Number 3. Number 3.
A single-celled organism that can carry all its life processes is called unicellular.
Excellent. Excellent. Unicellular. The next. When you answer the question, please lower your hand. When you answer the question, lower your hand. Okay. Omar Al-Basha. Omar Al-Basha.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, the next.
Next one,
Yes.
organisms made up of more than one cell are called multicellular.
Multicellular. Yes, multicellular. Number 5. Yes. Number 5. Yalla. Number 5. Yusuf Ghassan.
Yes. One scientist estimates that there are more than 1 billion kinds of multicellular organisms.
Here 100. Number 5, scientists have identified more than 100,000 different kinds of unicellular organisms. Okay. Now Abdul Karim, number 6.
Number 6.
Yes.
Plant and animal cells perform life process by using vacuole.
Using, who can correct? Organelles. Using organelles. Okay. Number.
Mister,
Yes.
you make number 7, but you did make number 6.
Okay. Here, there's difference between your book and this. The order is different a little. Okay. Now match between your book and the answer sheet. Clear? Match between your book and the model answer here, because the order is different a little. Match between the phrases.
Mister, all right.
Yeah. Now, who can read all cells? All cells are surrounding Adam Al-Hurani.
Mister.
All cells.
I have a question.
Yes.
because I made mine. In my book, number 5, scientists estimate that there are more than 1 billion kinds of unicellular organisms.
Yeah.
Your scientists have identified more than 100,000 different kinds of
The same phrases.
unicellular.
The same phrases here.
No, you have how plentiful are unicellular organisms? I don't have it.
Okay, you can add it. You can add it. You can add it. No problem. You can add it. This is my book and my model answers. Okay. No problem. You can add it. Don't worry.
Mister, I have the purple one, all purple.
Sorry. Wait.
I have the all purple one.
All purple.
Purple. Yeah, purple and blue.
Now match your book with model answers. Match your book with the model answers. Number nine. Here, the region. Who can read the region?
Me.
Yes.
The region between the cell membrane and the nucleus is filled with cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. Yes. The next. Yusuf Ahmed Aglan. Yusuf Ahmed.
Yes, Mister.
Read.
The self-control center is.
Raise your voice.
The cell's control center is called the nucleus.
Which number you read? Which number?
9.
9?
Yes.
Read. The cell's control center is called the nucleus. The nucleus. Okay. The next. Yes. The next. The tiny power glands in the cell. The tiny power glands in the cell where food is burned and energy is released are called mitochondria. Mitochondria. Wasim, read 12 structures.
A structure in a cell used for storage of water, food, and waste is the vacuole.
Excellent, Wasim. Excellent, perfect. Okay, yes, welcome. What's inside a plant cell? What's inside a plant cell? Who can read?
Mister?
Rayyan Fadi. Rayyan. Rayyan Fadi. Read ya Rayyan. Rayyan, where are you? Omar Abdullah. Omar.
Yes,
Read. Plant cell.
plant cells have a cell wall structure that serves as an outer covering.
Outer covering, yes. Perfect. Number 14. 14, yes, I will choose Abdul Karim. Abdul Karim.
What, teacher?
Yes. اقرأ. Read.
A green structure called an chloroplast uses the energy from the sun to produce food for the plant.
Yes, perfect. Number 15. Cells working together. Yusuf Ahmed Ajlan. Yusuf Ahmed Ajlan. Read.
Cells working together at the same job form an tissue.
Excellent, excellent. Number 16. Number 16. Rayyan.
Yes, Mister.
Read. Number 16.
Number 16. Groups of tissues working together form organs, and groups of organs working together form organ systems.
Perfect, excellent, yes, yes. Now, critical thinking. Critical thinking. We explained before, all cells come from a division, come from the division of the other cells. And cells can carry on basic life processes. Cells can carry on basic life processes. You can take the big idea. Clear? Plant and animal cell have cell membrane. There's comparison between plant cell and animal cell. Comparison between plant cell and animal cells. Plant cells and animal cells have cell membranes, nuclei, cytoplasm, and organelles such as mitochondria and vacuoles. Yahya.
Write only the highlight one.
Yes, yes. Are you finished?
No, I didn't.
Yes, we explained before. We explained before in the oral.
Okay.
Only the main idea. All cells come from the division of other cells. Yeah? Only by grouping and working together can plant and animal cells carry out all the necessary life processes. Okay, page. Now puzzles. The puzzles. Crossword puzzles. Read each clue and fill in the crossword puzzle.
Master, can you go up? I didn't finish.
You can go to the recorder. We haven't a time, sorry.
What?
You come back to the record of the lessons in the platform. Now, number 1, multicellular. Number 2, cell. 3, tissue. Transfer the answers. Number 4, system. Number 5, chlorophyll. Number 6, organ. Number 7, organisms. Clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Mr. Can you
Yes.
Teacher,
critical
Yes.
thinking?
Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf only. Yusuf.
I finished the chart way before.
Mr. Can you go up in the critical thinking?
خليني.
When I finish from the lesson, I will back if I have a time. Now, have you finished from this
Yes,
page?
mister. Yes,
Have you-
mister.
Okay.
No.
Yes. Now, page 6. Number 1. When we talk about living things, we can break them down into smaller things. All living things are made up of units called cells. Have you finished?
Yes.
Oh. No, mister.
Have you finished?
Oh.
No.
Okay, correct. Adam Al-Hurania, have you questions?
Finish.
Okay.
Mr.
Now we have finished from the homework. We will move to lesson 2. Classifying life. Classifying life. Listen to classifying life, page 34. Page 34. Classification. How are organisms classified? How are organisms classified? How are organisms classified? We will explain how
No.
we classify
Classification.
organisms. Classify the
Mister,
organisms.
I didn't finish from the workbook.
You can transfer, you can back to the recording because we haven't a time. I'm so sorry. We haven't 1 minute left. 1 minute left. We will talk introduction about classified energy. How are organisms classified? We have classification, order the groups by similarities or differentiations. And kingdom, we array the kingdom. If we want to order kitchen items, we will put in groups because it's similar. Because it's similar. Because it's similar. Now classifying life, we will classify it by similarities.
Mister, you didn't highlight.
By similarities.
انت المفروض تعمل
Time's up. Time's up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.
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 Bye. Goodbye. Bye.